Namaste Dosto and mabuhay to all my kababayans. And my name is Ella. So today is the first day of school of Mayank. So he had shifted to different school together with his older brother Priyank. And so currently he don't have uniform yet, and he have a temporary ID which I made from his previous school. So I just reinvent, and so the school knows what bus number, and of course our phone number and address. So just in case he get lost or what, I hope not. And then, so he's excited. So how you will say hi, friends? Mayank, my name is?
Hi.
Oh, what is that? Why are you showing them your tongue? Ew. Say hi. And I hope he enjoy his first day. Of course, I have to drop him so I can see and meet also the advisor. And you say good morning to Kaka.
Good morning, Kaka.
And come, go inside. So we're off to school. Good luck, Mayank. Say hi.
Hi.
Look now.
Hi, Maya.
Oh, hi, Mayank. Hi, everyone.